Alright, today I'm in here at the rustic house getting ready to put my tile up. This is my first tile. Got my walls marked for my center point. And then until this dries, I have to make sure that it's level. And you don't really need to put that much glue, okay, on the back of the tile. Just put a little bit. And it'll stick pretty well, but I'll be coming back and checking the levels. And then I have my little spacers right here. I'm not gonna have thick grout. It's gonna be black grout. I'll be putting my spacers up. And in the meantime, you'll be hearing Steve outside working on the pony wall for the shower in the master. And yeah, there's my copper door. It's really coppery. Show you what it looks like when the sun hits it. I don't know if you can tell. It's really pretty. Yeah, that's where all the noise is coming from. So he's
I'm a noisemaker.
Finishing that up. I'm in here installing the backsplash. So I finished the door and everything like that, and I'm going to Pantene my table, which we did pick up a set at the thrift store, and I repurposed everything here. 2 different chairs. The table was white. Went and painted it. Spray painted it so it all matches. And there's my copper penny table. And later when I'm done with the backsplash, I'm going to show you how I'm going to Pantene this table. And then after I get the look that I want, then I'm going to put some thick polyurethane on it, a few coats. But it is 63 degrees today in here. So I'll show you once I get this all up. I'll come back and give you an update. Look what we finished today. The pony wall's up and the window's shining the light right there.
Are you going to love the shower? Oh yeah, that just feels absolutely delicious.
So we'll have to seal everything with silicone. I'm going to stain this the red oak. And stain this red oak, and here I'm going to put some corners, waterproof corners. But we finished this today on this side. This is waterproof plastic for showers. So that corner there, I'll silicone it tight on the top and the bottom. But originally this is what we wanted. Putting a little pony wall up. About a 30-inch pony wall, and enough room here for people to get in and out of the shower. So I'm going to put another hook there for a towel, put a picture there, finish this up with polyurethane. Countertop here. So Steve finished that today. That's what that looks like. And I've been working on putting our backsplash up.
Hey!
Instead of taking all of this down, I originally wanted this whole back wall tiled. But because the inspector said we had to have this house finished in order for them to pass inspection, we had to put all this up. stove vent, shelves, everything. So instead of taking everything down, I am working around all of this. And I forgot to bring my tile cutter. And I knew I was going to do this today. But I'm going to bring it all the way up to where the trim is. So I'll finish it the next time I'm here, let it dry, then I can put the black caulk in there. So that's what it's gonna look like. Of course it's not done. I gotta cut here and I gotta cut it here and cut in through here. But I don't have my tile cutter with me today. So there's really not much we can do. I'm gonna go get stain now so I can stain my cabinets, and then I'll be finishing these. The last fun project I will be doing is epoxying the island countertop. So I will probably put that on a tripod and you can watch me how I do this whole thing. I've seen it done a few times, so I'm kind of excited about that getting done. And seeing how that's going to turn out. So that's what we did today. And then also over here, I was trying to patina my table, but I did exactly what they said, and I don't see it turning patina. So I'm just going to put one more layer of paint on here and just polyurethane it. It can be my copper penny table, and we'll leave it at that. And next week the carpet's gonna get put in here. Once that does, we can put this bedroom together with the bed and get it ready to go. And in this corner we're gonna put a small little wardrobe. We're just gonna put a shelf up here, about 30 inches shelf, and then a little rack or bar to hang your clothes, and down here a little shelf to put your shoes. So it's kind of out of the way, but at least they have some place to hang some clothes. And then paint the patio floor in there, and then we'll get it cleaned up and we'll be done.